Good afternoon. George Legos, Rates FT Bonds. Well, if you followed my prescription in Friday's video, you had a pretty good day. We're seeing, reactions to these Fed buybacks. They did two today. One in the bonds early, and then, a 10-year sector? No, 7-year sector in the afternoon, which 7-year correlates with the 10-year note future. Keep that in mind. Tomorrow we have a 10-year note buyback of pretty good size. Market made new highs for this up move. I think we want to buy a dip overnight or in the early morning session tomorrow. I got some levels. Obviously, the previous highs at 126.29 on the 10-year. Decent short-term support. I could see the market trade back below there a little bit and then recover it. On the way back up, I'd grab some, is my kind of plan on that trade. It's interesting again, as the markets have rallied back here, we've already seen the 10-year note hit, well, just below the 61% retracement at 127.05 plus. Today's high was 04 plus. Look at how the bonds are lagging. The high in the bonds is what, 133.06? Not even 50% yet. 133.14 is a 50% retracement on the bonds on the upside here. Old floor trading rule made many people lots of money over the years. Make sure the bonds were leading the move. Always want the bonds to lead the move to confirm, further price gains, or in a bull trend, or price declines in a bear trend. Bonds not leading. 10-year is. We'll see. That's what stops are for. Tomorrow, Tuesday, like I said, we do have some more Fed speak. Those guys always talking. Important one tomorrow night, 6 p.m. Chicago time tomorrow night. Chairman Bernanke in front of some press club meeting in Washington. These have been fairly important speeches in the past. Definitely be something to put on your alert schedule. 6 p.m. Chicago time tomorrow night. Chairman Bernanke speech. Buy the dip, sell the new highs. Some important levels on the upside here. 127.05 plus, like I said, is the fib retracement. More important than that, 127.12 is the declining bearish trend line off of those crazy spike highs from the last couple weeks that we've seen in the 10-year. The bonds are actually flirting with that same trend line right now, around 133 even. They have yet to close above that trend line convincingly on an hourly chart. So maybe if they do, the bonds will start leading the way higher here and confirm a little bit more bullishness. I still think we're going back to test or retest those old highs from a couple weeks ago, 128.02 and what was it, 134.24 in the bonds. And then we'll see from there. The way commodities are falling apart globally here, maybe we're going higher. Have a great night, everybody.